In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete saved items on Google App. If you had saved videos, images, or posts and you wish to remove them from your saved list, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google App and then go to saved list. First, I wish to add anything on my saved list. I'll add this article by just tapping on it and then save. Now to access my saved list, just go on top here, tap on your profile icon, and here you can see we have this option for saves and collections. If you tap on it, you will see all the collections or all the saved items. One we have for all saved items and two saved for later. So I'll tap on all saved item to reveal, and currently I have 4 of them. Now you can remove one by one from this saved list. To do that, just tap or click on these 3 dots here and we have an option to remove. So if I tap on remove, now you can see that is gone. Should you want to remove or clear all of them, just tap on these 3 lines here and then select all of them. So I'll select all of them by checking this, and then we have an option here to remove them by tapping on this and confirming remove. Now you can see I have removed all the items from my saved list. Now if I go back, you can see under saved I have nothing. So that's how you can remove or delete items on Google App. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.